Dear students, in this video, we will learn how to insert angle symbol in Microsoft Word document like I have inserted. This has first its magnitude value, then this angle symbol and this angle value with degrees. So let's start. Okay, you have to first go to insert. In insert, you will go to there in equation. Just click on equation and this will be appear type an equation. First write down its value like I am going to write its magnitude value. This is a sum its magnitude value. Then you have to click here in drop down section. You will go from basic math to geometry and then click on this second symbol angle. This will be here. Then again go to insert and again click on equation and then here click on script. In script, you will click on first script. This will be displayed here. Here you will write the value of angle like this could be, this is again taken from equation and this will be again from geometry to basic math. Here you can see that this is theta here. This angle theta will be, and here will be its degrees value, degrees sign here. This you can say that I have written this. For example, now I am going to write some angle with values. Okay. Again, go to insert. Just write value. Let's suppose 10 is the magnitude value. Then select from geometry this angle theta and then again write again this go to script here and this is 5 and this will be from here you will write this thing. Like you can see that I have written an angle of magnitude 10 with 5 degrees. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe this channel for more latest videos.